Alright, here we go for a cabin tour of cabin 10181 here on board Allure of the Seas. This is a Central Park balcony stateroom. As we enter, you have all of your information here. So your emergency muster station, it is C2 on deck 4 forward. You also have your sleeping off an adventure. Put this on the outside of the room to let your cabin steward know not to come in. Or, oh, sometimes it's two-sided. This one is only one. So yeah, all of your safety information in case of an emergency. Hopefully you don't have to worry about that. This one actually looks to be a connecting room as well. We do not know who's over there, so I probably will not be opening that door unless they ask nicely. This is interesting. What is this? I don't believe that's a light. This is my first time going through this cabin as well. This is my first time in a Central Park balcony as well. So we've got a couple folder things, a tiny little shelf. We've got a couple tiny little shelves inside a cabinet here. Also some down below. Looks like we've got a couple outlets down here, a European outlet along with a standard. And then this one actually goes up and you get a big one right here. You get 3 outlet ports, which is really nice. It's a huge plus. There are some ships, especially older ones, that do not have more than maybe 2 wall outlets, which really is quite unfortunate. Then you have a switch for the lights. Let there be light. You got a giant desk here in case the ladies need to do their makeup. And then more stuff here just to put everything on or down. You got some waters, TV remote, TV, cool stuff. Then you've got a couple drawers in case you need to put things away. And then a mini fridge, which is very nice. These do not come stocked, so there is nothing in here. But if you get any sodas or anything like that along the way, you can put them in here. Not freeze them, but chill them. You have yourself your standard safe to put any important documents in. Bunch of shelves just in case you need to put all your clothes away. A lot of hangers too to hang some stuff up. Even a little spot up here. This door slides, and so does this one. So we get to look at the. That didn't sound good.
We broke the room already. We've been here for 2 minutes.
That didn't sound good. But here's the other half, pretty much all the way down. You got a couch.
I do come with the room if you book a Central Park balcony, by the way.
Yes, room comes with him.
Yes. Good deal.
I don't think this was, some of them, they have the fold-out couches. I don't believe that this one is. And of course, you got your standard phone and just a little nightstand there with space to put some stuff on there. We just got into the room 5 seconds ago, so our bags are everywhere. But then you got the full king-size bed. You also have the option to split them up if you need to. So that's likely what we will be doing. I don't like them that much.
Yeah, you do. You like them.
But you can split the beds up into 2 twin-size beds or keep them together. That way you can cuddle at night. And then you got 2 lights on each side, which is very good. There's also a switch over here. That is for nothing. This one is for that light.
That's when I'm doing my makeup.
Yeah, Pookie's got to do his makeup.
Gotta cover up this ugly.
Hey, jeez.
Excuse me, do you think I'm ugly?
Yes. Alright, and then, of course, the most important part of the Central Park balcony is the Central Park balcony. You got yourself 2 nice chairs, a table, pretty good size. I can take, let's see.
A year ago, we were getting hit by a hurricane.
We were also on the Liberty last year being hit by a hurricane.
That's true. This is the hurricane that we outran from last year.
Yes. So I took about 5 steps across, 5 good steps across. So this is a very, very large balcony, which is awesome. Actually, this is really big. This is bigger than the boardwalk balconies if I'm actually correct here. So yeah, very, very cool. There's even secret. I did not know that existed, but apparently there's just like a little open balcony.
Only this ship and Oasis have it. Harmony didn't have it.
Only Oasis and Allure have this. Harmony, Symphony, and Wonder. I definitely did not see this on Wonder recently. They do not have that. So interesting. This is like a public area too. So anyways, on to our last piece of business here. We have where you do your business. The bathroom. So big giant mirror. Very nice. You got yourself a sink. Cool. Tiny little drawer. Don't know what you could fit in there, but you can put some stuff in there. A couple cups. Little cubbies to put things in. Let's see, that is not a outlet. Then you got yourself a cabinet down here with a trash can, additional TP, another trash can, some toilet paper for you, towels, soap, always use soap, wash your hands, kids. Then you have yourself the iconic throne with the cruise ship. Come on, come on, you can do it, you can do it.
Hey.
That didn't sound too good. Hey, all right, well, we're gonna have to be a little concerned about that. So hopefully that's fixed. If you're staying in this room, it's probably fixed by that point. But here we go. We have the shower, the nice big, well I wouldn't say big. For a cruise ship, it's a good size. I can close myself in here and I can pretty much stick my elbows out. That's really as far as we're getting here. So pretty much a below average size man can fit in here.
I guess I don't qualify for that.
Then, yeah, you got yourself the hair and body wash, the removable thing, that fun fact that actually fell on me on the Freedom a couple months ago. That was a great shower experience. And then of course, just the nice flooring in here. So, with that, that is all for the room tour here of the Central Park Balcony 10181 on Allure of the Seas. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video for our full ship tour of the Allure of the Seas. Thanks for watching.